Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we'll learn about the HTML details and summary elements. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The details element in HTML is used to create a disclosure widget or a collapsible container for hiding or showing contents. It is normally used in combination with a summary element, which represents a summary or a heading for the content that can be toggled. So I'll just go to MDN website here and show you an example. So on this website, you have this on the sidebar over here. We have this collapsible widget that we can toggle on and off to show or hide its content. So I'll just go ahead and click on this heading over here, introduction to HTML. When I click on it, it toggles on and then shows all its hidden content, and then when I click on it again, it hides them. So I'll go to VS Code and then show you how we can achieve this using the HTML details and summary element. So in my body, I'll just go ahead and write the details tag, and then in between the opening and closing details tag, I'll write my summary tag. And then the content I'll put here will normally be the title or the heading. So I'll just write introduction to HTML, and then I'll just put in a paragraph tag here, and then I'll generate random words using Lorem. So I'll just generate 20 random words, and then when I save, let me zoom in. So we see that in the browser we have this collapsible widget here, which displays only the title, which is in the summary tags. So initially it will display only the title, but when I go ahead and click on it, it shows whatever is in the paragraph tags. So this is how we can use the HTML heading and summary element to achieve this kind of collapsible widget on our website. So I'll just go ahead and then copy this down 2 times quickly, and then change the second one to introduction to CSS as an example, and then introduction to JavaScript as another example. When I save, now we have these 3 collapsible widgets here. So when I click on the first one, it opens and displays its contents. When I click on the second one, it also opens and displays its contents, and then when I click on the third one, it opens and displays its content. So we can put in any content here. I'll just go ahead, let's say this one, I'll just delete this one here and put in an ordered list here. So I'll just put in a link here, and I'll say this goes to the home page, and I'll go ahead and copy down this link twice just to give you a variety of examples. I'll put in contact here and save. So when I save that, let me open introduction to HTML. We see the paragraph displayed. I'll collapse it. When I toggle this one on, we see our links here, our unordered list of links here, which is home, about, and the contact. They don't go anywhere. I'm just using them as an example here. So I'll toggle this one on, and we see the paragraph display. So this is how we can use the HTML details and summary element to achieve this kind of collapsible widgets on our website. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.